certainly changes things up a little bit, doesn't it?
Absolutely.
When a dog comes in.
Yeah, I think if patients sometimes feel like they're so stuck inside the hospital, so the best way to help with that is to bring something from outside to help them kind of remember sort of the outside world. So
that's a really
great way
good
of doing it.
Yeah. That's a very good point.
Yeah, you're a perfect example of that, aren't you?
Well, thank you for visiting with
Sure.
us.
No, thank you for inviting me.